If you're ever in Hereford, you need to stay in the Castle Hotel. Castle House, sorry, Hotel. That's where I stayed last night. So Martin's friend David put me up for the night in it. Stayed in the King Charles Suite. Absolutely amazing hotel. So check it out if you're ever down this way. Yeah, Castle Hotel in Hereford. That's it from the outside. So last night I was in Hereford doing a talk. Met some interesting people. Here they are, wearing my hoodies. There we go. Available in all colours. Don't show the pens, we don't sell them.
Oh, right.
Hoodies.
Super fans.
Thank you.
Thanks, Ollie.
Anyway, back to today where I have a whistle-stop tour of Hereford with Martin. Proper rally track. I think we're going to find a sugar beet harvester somewhere. Oh, there it is. It's like a welly job. Back on the rally track. Get to the other end of the field. There we go. Fast track karting as well. Beast. Just standing behind the car out the wind. Hoovering up the sugar beet. Beet eater. Trying to keep out the wind. It's got 6 wheels, 2 in the back, in the middle, and 4 huge ones in the front. And the sugar beet there. Knocks the tops off, shakes it out the ground, puts it on them spinning discs, spins the oil out all the way through. Eventually it ends up clean, takes it up inside the big hopper. Back down the rally track. Some machine at a harvester. The tyres underneath it, it nearly looks like it could walk on water. Just in there now. Oh no, yeah, there he is. That's what they're doing, building a reservoir. Might be a bit windy, but they're building a reservoir on the top of this hill for irrigating in the summer. So there's a couple of dozers working. And a sheep's foot roller packed in the clay so hopefully it doesn't leak. Grading off the bank now. Climbing, isn't it? Really deep grub in there. Not sure if you can hear because of the wind, but they're basically building a reservoir on the top of the hill so that then they can irrigate through the summer. But obviously being at the top of the hill means that it'll all flow from gravity once they've built it. Just at Martin's mate's farm and a PDI and a new header. It's a Convio like mine, but straight, and it's got lifters on it. Another smart Grimmy harvester as well. So we're at Two Farmers Crisps, and we're just going to go and look at the packaging because it is the only crisp packet in the world, is it, that is made of compostable plastic. There's some of the spud grading equipment there they make the crisps out of. These are crisp tins, so it's like instead of having a quality street at Christmas, you could have crisps. Some of the packaging equipment and crisp makers. This is the fryer for the crisps.
Just the main one down there.
And it runs all off an AD plant.
Well, these are running, all the electricity runs off the AD plant. Obviously, at this we're using natural gas. This is where they find that at the top for next season. That's right.
So that puts the flavour in, drops into here, into the bag. That's an X-ray, is it?
No, this stands more up.
Oh, right, I see.
Later, and then
So that plastic completely degrades.
yeah.
So you could just plant it really and grow your own crisps. Fascinating story of the crisps and the packaging. The crisps actually were the sort of nearly the easy bit to make. It took 6 years to get the packaging right that would work, because it's obviously compostable, but you don't want it to compost while it's got crisps in it. Anyway, the whole thing's powered by an AD plant, which we're just going to drive past now on the way to the next stop. So this is the back of the silage clamps for the AD plant, and then this is the AD plant. So obviously you feed it with silage and presumably rotten potatoes. It ferments in that big dome there, produces gas. It's like a big cow's stomach. And they turn the gas into electricity with, presumably there'll be the generators there. Now, we haven't got time to have a full look round, but that's that. Oh, that's what must munch the potatoes up to make them more digestible. It's a nice trailer there. Doing, I think, a bit of the digestate. So we're just looking round a shed full of goats for milking. So how many have you got then?
So we're milking 600. There's about 1,000.
600 goats.
And we've just installed some toys for them, which
the
they
brush.
absolutely love.
And do they just play with the barrels?
Yeah, the barrels are just there for them to sit up on, like that one there. But yeah, the rotary toilet brushes, as we call them, they absolutely love those.
It's, I thought they'd smell, but they actually don't. You were right.
Yeah, no, there's no smell at all.
All they do is laugh at you.
Yeah. So how old will these be then?
So those were born in, when were they born? They were born in May. In there. They were May. Those in there were these were August, and that came there. These are May as well, and these are in here.
Meh. That's why they call it a goatee.
Yeah, and that. So if there's a lovely smell up in here at the moment.
It stinks, yeah.
It absolutely stinks.
Yeah, let's go.
And what they do to scent themselves is they pee on their own beard.
Oh.
So that's why the beard is as long as it is, and it's the colour that it is, and that's how they scent themselves.
Hey. So they're eating maize silage then?
Yeah. So the ration they're eating is maize, chopped maize, grass, whole oats, and some beans as well for the protein. So.
I suppose clothing, anything they'll eat, won't they?
Yeah. But people say that they'll eat anything, but actually they're really, really fussy eaters.
Right.
They pick through when they're going through here now. So they'll leave all the stalks and stuff. They'll leave that. They won't eat that at all.
Right.
And every day we sweep that up and feed that to our beef cattle.
Ah, right.
Yeah.
It's like Diddy, isn't it? Stand next to it for scale box.
The scale, come on. I mean, put your hand in it for scale, because that's really normal, isn't it?
So this is where you make the ice cream.
It's a bit of a mess at the moment. We've got everything piled up. One of my
So how long does it take
put
from
some
being
of that
milk to being
so
ice cream?
I've got my pasteurizer here. So I put it in here with the sugars, and it pasteurizes overnight, and it ages, so all the sugars and the milk and fats combine. And then the next morning I extract the quantity of mix I want from there, add flavours, so strawberries or
So it's an overnight process to make a batch.
Yeah,
All right, I thought.
And then it goes into here, and this is my batch freezer, and it gets sort of churned into the ice cream. The flavours I want, and
So it's an honesty shop. Does
yeah,
it work?
Yeah, it does.
I think round our way they'd probably take the container.
Really.
So that was OMG Goat Farm, where they milk goats. Now, next stop, Saltash in Cornwall. So that was Charlie and his wife showing us around the goat farm. So they milk goats because the milk has less lactose, so a lot of people can drink it, and also they make ice cream. But they also have a really nifty brand called OMG Oh My Goat. So I said they should do clothing. Anyway, so they might do that. But yeah, I need to thank Martin and his friend David that let me stay in his hotel, and everyone that I visited today in Hereford, because I've had a great day looking around all different farms. Chris' thing was fascinating, how they develop the packets as well. You can see more of that on Countryfile on Sunday, the real Countryfile. Anyway, I'm going to carry on now to Saltash to do this monitor farm meeting. Ian's done the birthdays. Here they are. That's the outro. Thanks for watching today, and I'll see you tomorrow.
On today's birthday bumper / bonnet, we've got Katy Perry is the big 4-0, Ronan Cahill the milkman. Happy birthday, you guys. Joel Hobson is 27, AJ Everett is 15, and a very particularly special happy birthday to my dad. Happy birthday, you guys. If you want to be on the bonnet or the bumper, that's the QR code to scan if you're on your phone. If you're on a computer, the link is under every single video. Click on there and help us raise even more money for the North West Air Ambulance. Currently £15,711. Thank you very much. Happy birthday, everyone.